Hello everyone. I'll show you how to make money now in the video below, even if you're just starting out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell, so you are updated every time we upload a new video. Head over to this website, volutic.com. This website will compensate you for nothing more than opening and reading emails. You will notice this paragraph: we pay you for every email you read and instantaneously, when you scroll down once more. Therefore, you won't have to wait that long to receive your commission because you may do so right away. They just require a minimum payout of 20 cents, which is the reason behind this. You can also take advantage of the referral scheme that this website offers, which is rather good. There are 6 levels of referral commissions. You are eligible for a 50% commission on the first level. And on the top one, which is unheard of everywhere online, you can truly earn 100% profit. Additionally, they will give you $1 for each referral that makes $1. You must have an email account in order to use this website and start making money from simply opening emails. You can set up a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, or any other provider you like email account. You should open a Gmail account, in my opinion. We can now return to volutic.com. The only thing left to do is register for an account on this website. You can accomplish it by simply clicking this button here that says Register. After that, you will be brought to this page to complete the form. Your username, email address, and password must be entered here. You can leave the referrer field empty, however it will be preferable if you know of a friend or someone else who uses this website so you can become their referral. By doing this, you will enable them to receive more payment from you. Then, after reading their terms of service and privacy notice, just check the first 2 boxes. Just be careful not to tick the last box, as you probably don't want to get daily spam emails from this website. Simply click this register button after that. An email for activation will follow. Simply open the email and click the activation link to get started. You can activate your account by clicking it. Once you create an account, this website will start daily emailing you. You will get compensated for nothing more than opening and reading those emails. Here are some additional recommendations that you must remember to heed. The first is that your emails will arrive every day, but because some emails end up in the spam folder, it's easy to miss them and the chance to make money. As a result, be sure to regularly check your spam folder. The good news is that you can prevent these emails from ever showing up in the spam folder. You can start these emails to make them your favorites if you want to do that. You must click on these 3 dots if you discover these emails in your spam folder. You will be given the choice to remove these emails from the spam bin. By doing this, you can optimize your chances of making money by simply opening emails. And that's it. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and do subscribe to our channel. For more updates, hit the notification bell.